Okay, so along with the foundation Oily Girl Approved, we're going to be trying out some new sleek makeup. Some new, some I've tried before, but we're going to incorporate it into this video. So if you only want to see me apply the foundation, then I'm going to put the time on the screen that you can skip to. But if you want to see this makeup look that I'm about to create, then you can keep on watching. So I received these products from Sleek Makeup so that I could review, and I'm super excited about this. I also got a lipstick. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and we're just gonna do our eyeshadow. So this is the Vintage Romance palette, and I really like Sleek's packaging. It is very sleek and black, and when you open it up, it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. So these colors are kind of calling to me right now. I am really feeling the purple, and I'm feeling the gold. So I think I'm gonna do like a purple gold eye look. So there's one matte color in here, ideal for definition. Let's see if I could get any definition with this color. It's not really looking like it. This is not my favorite type of, I can't get any definition with that shade. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just set my concealer with it. Y'all know I use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Everything will be linked in the description box below. So this brown right here is not giving me definition. So I'm thinking of putting a shimmer purple shadow in my crease. Now I don't usually put shimmers in my crease, but today I'm feeling a little fancy. So I think I am going to put one of these purples. I think I'm gonna try this purple right now. Now these shades, they're not named, so I'll show you as I go along which one I'm using. These shadows are pretty pigmented. I like that. They look a little different on the skin than they do in the pan. So I'll swatch this color on my hand for you. This is how it is looking in the pan. Pretty dark, right? Let me swatch it. And on my hand, it's actually looking pretty dark as well, but when I put it onto my eye, it's blending out into like a fuchsia kind of purple shade. I'm mad at it, and I'm gonna go in with this darker purplish blue right here, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer V of my eye. Okay, so now for the lid, I'm gonna put this color right here. And I'm kind of blending this into my crease as well. So I would say this look is very vibrant. I don't know if it's really going with what I have on, but we could always change. And then for the brow bone highlight, I'm gonna take this cool shade and mix it with that one. Alright, and that is the end of this eye look using the Vintage Romance palette. I am loving how my eyes are looking right now. So what I'm gonna do is just put some mascara on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Now let's get into the foundation. So I have the Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made. I've been using it, so the bottle is kind of dirty, but I have D70 and D80. So D70 is Cappuccino, and D80 is Soft Sable. Now, I don't know what the undertones of these foundations are. I looked on their website and I could not find that information. I watched, I think, about 2 videos, and then I was like, you know what? I think I'm either one of these. So that's why I picked them up. So I am going to do the swatch on the side of my face so that you can see it. This is D70. D80 is right here, and it is blending right into my skin, y'all. You can't even really see the swatch, right? I know you're like, where's the swatch, girl? Right, it's right here. And you can't even see the swatch. It's just like blending into my skin. Okay, so we know D80 is the shade for me. Let me wipe this off. And we're gonna do our entire face with D80. So I just do 2 pumps and it comes with a pump, guys. So that is so good that CoverGirl knew what they were doing. Also, it is only $8.49. I believe you can purchase it at Walmart now, Walgreens, and I bought mine on Amazon, so you can check there. I will have some links in the description bar so that you guys can find it. From your favorite CoverGirl foundation line comes a matte formula that isn't drying or cakey. TruBlend Matte Mates formula is developed with Flexi Hold technology that creates a strong yet flexible film on skin for durability and comfort, while the mattifying powders absorb oil and minimizes pores for a soft matte flawless finish up to 12 hours of wear. So the claims are 12-hour wear, pore minimizing, oil control, transfer resistant. This is the first CoverGirl foundation that I'm trying and I am very, very impressed. Are you seeing this? This is the color of my skin. Like, oh, it's so good. Like, this drugstore foundation is coming for all of our edges, like snatching edges. Now, I think I'm definitely gonna change my top because this eyeshadow is not going with this outfit. But in terms of blending, I think we're done. I feel like it gave amazing coverage, but it still looks very skin-like. So yes to CoverGirl. Now we have to do that wear test to really see what to do. This foundation comes in 40 shades. Yes. And I think D80 is the second to last one. So, I mean, I feel like, listen, I think I'm dark skinned, but I'm like not the darkest person in the world, right? So if D90 is the last one, then I feel like we have some more shades to add. Right? I mean, applause for the 40, but I'm the second to last. Right? Y'all see what I'm saying? Anyway, we're still gonna give them a clap for doing 40 shades on the first launch, and we will be waiting for subsequent additions. You know, we need the 85, we need the 95. Give the 5s some work. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with the rest of my face. I'm gonna use some more sleek products. I purchased this one myself, but I actually love it. This is a blush in Blush by 3 in Pink Sprint. I wear this blush a lot. It's like pinky purple, and I think it is very appropriate to pair with my look today. I almost forgot to contour, guys. So this is the Sleek Face Form, and I received this product from Sleek, and I actually really like this. Now this is in the shade dark, so we're gonna use this dark shade right here to contour. And don't worry, sometimes you could do your makeup in reverse steps. So I forgot to contour, but no fair, we're just gonna add it in. We're also gonna be using that same palette to highlight. I really like this palette because it has a beautiful gold in it. And I'm mixing both of the highlighters that are in here together to create a beautiful bronze gold highlight. Yes. Do you see that? This is like the black girl's dream. I've been using this product for a while now, so I was so happy when I received it for review from Sleek. So now I have a new one to play with. And what I love now is that you can find Sleek products at Walgreens. Before you could only order it online, but now you can just go down to your local Walgreens and pick it up. I'm also gonna put these golds in my tear duct. You all know how I feel about a tear duct highlight. I live for it. I almost forgot, I have one more palette from Sleek, and it is the Solstice highlighting palette, and it's beautiful gold packaging. These are the shades that are in here. They're super frosty though, and one of them is a cream, so we're not going to use that today because I already put powder down. I think I want to take a little bit of this one right here, which is kind of peachy, and just layer it. So this is giving a nice frost to kind of like a frosty pink. That really changed the color of the highlight. Wow. This is very, very pigmented. So I'm just going to lightly tap it and just layer it on this side. Because I don't want to change the color of the highlight that I already have on too much. Just a little bit. I'm going to have to play with this palette a little bit more. They're very, very frosty. But let me just swatch them for you really quickly. Do you see how frosty that is? You know, I don't know if this is very like black girl friendly, but I feel like as a topper, mightn't be that bad. And this is the cream one here. So these are the swatches. I feel like on top of the other highlight, it looked really good. I probably wouldn't wear this on its own because they're a little too frosty for my liking. But if you ever want to like jazz up a highlighter that's a little dull, I would add this to it. So I would say highlight topper for sure. Okay, so I did a quick outfit change because that yellow was not going with my look. And I also added Ready to Mingle by Fenty Beauty. So I'm going for a monochromatic look right now. Purple on purple. I really actually like this eyeshadow look. I think it came out pretty good. But now we're going to talk a little bit about the foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. This is not the end of the review. We're still gonna wear it for about 4 hours and then I'll come back and let you guys see how it looks after that time. But my initial reactions, and this is not my first impression because I have worn the foundation before. This is kind of like a combination of all that I feel right now. I love the soft matte texture. I love the color match. I don't think I have another foundation that matches me as well as this. D80 is Imani. They should just rename this Imani. That is how well it matches my skin. Now, the summer hasn't really come in full force just yet. And I've been back from vacation, so my tan kind of wore off a little bit. So, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna get darker or not, but hopefully this could still work even if I get darker, because I think D90 would definitely be too dark for me. It's now 9:50. I think I finished up applying this foundation at around 4 p.m. so we can see what's going on with my face. There is minimal oil. Some oil did come through, but it wasn't crazy at all, and I did not blot. So definitely I'm gonna be giving this 5 stars. I love this foundation. I love the price. I love the shade match. I think it was amazing. I also wanted to mention too that I got a red lipstick from Sleek Makeup. This red is called Workaholic, which I really like, but it wasn't going with the look today, so we had to opt for Fenty Beauty. Now let us just do a little blot just to finish up the video, and I'm not even putting any extra product on my brush. I'm just gently tapping, and that is sucking up any excess oil. So yeah, I think this is the first foundation I'm giving 5 stars. Thumbs up to Covergirl. This is kind of strange because I have never worn any of their foundation. So the first foundation that I ever wear from them is like bomb. That speaks volumes, you know. That's making me feel good about the brand and even like wanting to try more stuff that they have. I hope that this was helpful. Let me know what other foundations you would like me to try. Best believe Colourpop is coming up. I'm excited about that one. If you want to see anything else on my channel, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.